Fix and flips in California have gotten to be fairly complicated. It's a very competitive market. First of all, let me just describe the basic fix and flip concept, and then we'll go into some of the particulars and maybe some examples of what was a good fix and flip that we helped with. A fix and flip generally is where an investor is purchasing a property for below market value to then make repairs to that property, turn around and sell it at the retail value. Some of the basic concepts for the fix and flip are that you're buying it well below market. You're actually buying it enough below market that you're able to pay for the cost for repairs. Repairs can typically run from $30,000 to $50,000 and can take anywhere from 30 days to 6 months. Hopefully you will get those repairs done in a shorter period of time, because one of the key factors in a fix and flip is being able to do the work quickly and time the placement of the home back onto the retail market. So one of the things that we can do to help you with a fix and flip is we can help you while you're in escrow, before you actually solidify the deal. We can take a look and see what kinds of additions or remodels would add value to the property. We have a number of clients that come to us for that very reason. One thing that comes to mind that's really simple is if you've got a house that's 2-bedroom, 2-bath, and you want to add a bedroom and a bathroom, well, you can do that very easily and very quickly with maybe about 350 square feet, maybe for less than $50,000, and when you're done, the added equity value might be twice what you've spent on it. There's lots of different examples for that. Sometimes just opening up the old walls in an older home to provide a great room, a living room, dining room combination just increases the value, makes it look bigger, makes it something that is attractive to today's marketplace. Now that gets a little tricky, and that's one of the things that you need us to look at with you in terms of figuring out where the shear walls are, where the bearing walls are. You don't want to be taking out interior walls without making sure that the roof structure will support that, and possibly modifying, adding some beams to take those loads. So we not only do the design work, we also can put together the structural engineering for the building department for them to review and approve. Fix and flips are really fun, they're really popular. Some people actually do it full time and do very well. And I've seen the ones that do well have a team of professionals, including an architect like us, reviewing the project before they get started. And actually, a lot of times we'll actually start the engineering work possibly before even the escrow is completed, because of the amount of time that it takes to run plans through the building department. But we do specialize in those types of plans, those remodels, so we can get them through as fast as anyone. Actually faster in some cases, because we do a lot of work with some of the local cities around here. So when you're considering a fix and flip, feel free to call us ahead of time. Let's take a quick look at it. We can do an analysis, or at least a review over the phone. We can, with our own private satellite, we can take a look at it. Actually, it's Google, but we can take a look at the site and see what's around it, make sure the market value would make sense, and actually bounce some ideas off of you in terms of square foot value now and square foot value with repairs and modifications that are made to it. So look for the worst house in the best neighborhood you can find, and then develop a plan. Talk to the professionals that are going to be involved with the project. Talk to us in terms of design and engineering to see how we can help you with that, and then have a good project and make that one work, and then do another one. So contact us on CumminsArchitecture.com, or look us up on YouTube at Cummins Architecture. Hope to see you soon, and we're gonna keep providing information on different subjects that are related to this industry in architecture, specifically in the area of residential, remodel, design, custom homes, and ADUs. We're going to keep talking about the word ADU, which is auxiliary dwelling units, because that's a new state law that allows you to put 2 units on a single family residence. So those are some of the basic subjects. We'll be posting something about once a week. So go to YouTube and check us out, and thanks for watching. See you soon. Thanks.